What's going on, everybody? I'm out here at 112 Cambridge Trail in Alabaster, Alabama. This is in the Cambridge Point subdivision. Why am I out here at this home that looks a little bit run down? Looks like it needs a lot of work. That's because it's going to get a lot of work. This is actually going to be a flip. And it's going to be coming to the market within this year or the beginning of 2024, possibly into the spring, depending on how long these updates could take. But I promise you, when this home is finished, it's going to look beautiful and you might just want it. So today I'm going to give you a little tour of what it looks like right now. So don't have your expectations too high. It's pretty bad. It's really bad. But just think of the possibilities of what this home is going to be once we get to the finished product. Come on. There we go. As you can see, you got plenty of parking space over here. Once this is all cleaned up, it's got to be a nice, clean driveway, pressure washed. Looks like they need to get a yard guy out here too, possibly. That'll also be part of the deal. So you're probably wondering, Tyler, just how big is this home? It looks like a decently sized home for a family, and you are right. It is 4-bed, 2-bath, 2,155 square foot. As you can see, as soon as you walk in here, it is a split level. So if you're into split level homes, then one day this could be exactly what you want. If I didn't mention before, this is a 4-bed, 2-bath with one of those bedrooms being on the basement floor. So yes, it is partially finished on the basement, but everything down there is going to get pretty much ripped out and updated. It will look a lot better. I know y'all love the popcorn ceiling. Oh, that's beautiful. One thing that caught my eye when I first walked in here, I was thinking this is a very modern light fixture to have in this dining room compared to the rest of the home that hasn't really seen any updates at all, even the paint. But you got this modern light fixture that actually looks pretty nice. I don't know, just caught my attention. Maybe it'll stay, maybe it'll go, we'll see. Here we are in the kitchen. Y'all, white never goes out of style, ever. Obviously joking. This kitchen will be updated as well. Here's your pantry. Pretty open concept when you come straight from the kitchen to the living room and the little breakfast seating area. Now I know what you're thinking right now. Man, this house is ugly. I would never buy this in my entire life. Y'all, it's gonna look a lot better. Think of the updates. Think of how it's gonna look when everything is done. It's gonna look great. Here you got a gas fireplace. Y'all better look at that. All brick, pretty nice. Pretty nice molding over it too. That's good detail. I'm impressed. I will check out the master bedroom. Obviously this is gonna look a ton better with updated paint and maybe not popcorn ceilings, but anyways. Don't know if y'all can tell from the video, but that ceiling fan is shaking a lot and I really don't want to walk under it and die, so I'm gonna go around this way just because that would be a horrible way to die or get seriously injured. Wobbly ceiling fan. All right, let's check out the master bath. You can see jetted tub, huge jetted tub over there. Now, I know y'all are gonna like this. Gold trim shower. I know y'all like the finer things in life. Come on, don't even lie. That looks so good. And you better believe it's staying. Oh yeah, it's staying in this house. That's the one thing they're for sure not touching. I mean, that is just, I mean, that's what's gonna sell the house. Just that alone. For those of you that don't know my humor yet, I'm obviously kidding. That is gotta be completely ripped out. Totally joking. Don't wanna lead y'all wrong. I wonder if this is actually gonna stay though. This is granite. This is legit granite here. Yes, I did do the knock test. It is legit granite. So I guess you'll have to stick around because I'll be updating this weekly and monthly, coming by here, getting new video to show y'all how this home is coming along with its updates. You got the master closet, plenty of room for his and hers. Or maybe just hers. Sorry, fellas. Depends on your significant others. I mean, come on, y'all, come on. As you can see, you actually have direct access from the master bedroom to this back deck, and we're gonna check that out. It looks the yard. Give y'all a look of the whole thing, kind of a wide angle shot, so you know. Yeah, plenty of backyard space here. Very nice. Overlooking that huge driveway. Parked several cars down there. I want to thank you guys so much for tuning in to see this house tour. I know it's a rundown house, but I want you to see the potential of it and what it's going to be like once it is done. So if you tune in today, you want to keep up to date with how this house is progressing, you want to see it every single week or every single month, I'll be uploading these videos to my channel to keep you informed on what this thing is becoming. So I'll let you know all the updates, and if you want to reach out to me directly for interior photos, stuff like that as it goes along, you can reach my number 205-276-2135. You can shoot me a text, give me a call, or email me, Tyler at my SRS agent if you're more old school. Either way, I'll be responding. If you want to drop a comment and do the same thing, that works as well. But if you want to stay up to date with just the videos I'm posting to my channel about this home and plenty of other communities in suburban Birmingham as well as the city of Birmingham, like, comment, subscribe to this video, and ring that notification bell so you don't miss a single thing. So with all that said, thank y'all again for checking this out. Hope to see you in the next video. Stay blessed, y'all.